Four friends, Lainey, Angelina, Maeve, and Caroline, go on a weekend vacation to Long Beach Island, New Jersey. They're going to celebrate Lainey's 21st birthday. Lainey picks up her friends in her new Porsche as they embark on their 2-hour trip. They arrive in Long Beach Island and go straight to their luxury beachfront mansion. The quartet is planning to go to the bar to celebrate Lainey's birthday. In order to look super fuego for their night out, the group decides to go to the beach to tan. They all disagree about what time they should go in order to get the best tan possible. Caroline decides it is the best to go at 10 a.m. She stays for 2 hours. When Caroline returns, her friends ask her where she has been. She didn't get tan at all. Turns out she mistakenly used SPF 100, so now she is less tan than before. The group goes out to lunch at Surf Taco, and Maeve decides to try the Tsunami Burrito Challenge, which is a giant burrito that you must finish under 15 minutes. As they all watch Maeve eat this giant burrito, we realize that it wasn't a good idea. She finishes it in 7.4 minutes and immediately feels sick, so Caroline, the up-and-coming nurse, takes care of Maeve. Angelina and Lainey don't care about Maeve, so they go to the beach to go tanning. They go at 1 p.m. because they think it'll be the best time, according to Angelina's calculations. These are the daylight hours in LBI on July 19, 2016. The sun rose at 5:30 and was at an altitude of 0 degrees. It was at its highest altitude at 1 p.m. at 70 degrees, and it was setting at 8:30 p.m. at an altitude of 0 degrees. So, plot 0 degrees, 0, at 15 hours, and 7.5 hours. At 7.5 hours at its highest altitude of 70 degrees. Then it was at its lowest altitude at 0 hours and 15 hours. So, now you use the equation y equals a cosine of b x plus c plus d. In order to find d, you use the maximum minus the minimum divided by 2. In this case, that's 70 minus 0 divided by 2 to get you 35. In order to find a, you use the max minus d to get 70 minus 35, which equals 35. But since this is a cosine graph and it starts at its minimum and not its maximum, it's a negative 35. In order to find b, you do 2 pi over b equals 15, the length of the cycle, over 1. You cross multiply, and you get that 2 pi over 15 equals b. Then, in order to find c, you use 0 because it starts at 0. So the equation is y equals negative 35 cosine of 2 pi over 15 times x plus 0 plus 35. Using this equation, you can find the altitude that the sun will be at 10 a.m. when Caroline goes tanning, which is 45.8 degrees, and 6 p.m. when Maeve goes tanning, which is 17.5 degrees. Angelina and Lainey tan for 2 hours, and they return to get ready for Lainey's big night. Angelina gets back, and being that she's Italian, she tanned very nicely. On the other hand, Lainey, who is everything but Italian, burnt to a crisp. Both Angelina and Lainey use SPF 15, which clearly wasn't enough for Lainey. Maeve, now feeling better, decides she should give tanning a try, and goes all against Angelina's calculations, and she goes at 6 p.m. Maeve wears only SPF 30 to try to achieve a good tan, but she's unsuccessful and looks the same as before. Now, getting ready for the party, Maeve and Caroline wish they had listened to Angelina's calculations, and well, Lainey wishes she had worn more sunscreen. The four friends go to the bar, and Lainey is unable to enjoy herself because she is so burnt. After a horrible weekend for Lainey and Caroline, they decide it's time to go home. Angelina and Maeve, who enjoyed themselves, decided to stay another week and party.